Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the MS Excel tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain in Excel VBA code how to sort the data with the column headers ascending and descending order. So let's start the tutorial. Let's check the final output. Employee number and employee name. If I click employee number, notice the employee number and employee name in descending order. If I click again, it will display in the ascending order. Descending and ascending. Descending and ascending order. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. Before continuing this video tutorial, I sincerely recommend please watch my previous Excel video tutorials. You can find many video tutorials on Excel and VBA. So let's start the today's tutorial. I want to sort an Excel sheet with the employee number header section. If a user clicks the employee number, it will sort in a filter in a ascending or descending order. Both the columns, employee number and employee name. So first, for that I am using activex controls with a VBA code. To create a VBA code, first within the developer, click the developer. Under developer, first I am adding one label control from the activex controls. Select the label control, I am placing it here. Now after that, if you want to go the properties of this label 1 activex controls, double click that one. It will open the Visual Basic applications, and here we got the properties. Now here I am adding employee number. Employee number I am adding, and the forecolor I am adding is blue. Let's add the font size also, little bit bold and 14. Click OK. Now switch over to the Excel sheet. See here we got the employee number. Now after that, I am deleting this employee number. I am placing this label 1 employee number here. And now we got here employee number. After that, we record the coding part of this label. Again, double click the employee number. It will generate the label 1 underscore click event, which is nothing but our employee number. Now the code is dim k as string. I am defining the string object if label 1 dot caption is equals to caption emp underscore number ascending order, then range, I am adding the range is a1 comma list dot list sort. We record the sorting. I am adding the key 1, the order as range a1 comma, after that the second parameter takes the order. We record the order 1 ascending order comma header XLS. After that, label 1 dot caption is equals to emp underscore number descending order. else the else part, instead of adding the same code, I'm copying and paste here, just I'm changing to descending order, Excel descending. That's it. Everything is same except I'm changing the order one in ascending order, and else part I'm adding descending order, and here we require this ascending order. Now here the code is, let me close the and if also, and if. Now here the code is, if user click the label 1, it will become the employee number, the label becomes the employee number description, which will not display on the label. Here in the label, where is the label here? This is the label. The employee number does not change, it does not show employee number ascending and descending. Internally it will change. The default employee number only it will display on the header section. So employee number ascending, once we click the ascending, it will show in the ascending order. After that, if user clicks again the same employee number, it will show in the descending order. Now let's check the final output. Switch over to the Excel sheet. Make sure, notice in the controls the designing mode is active. Let's deactivate that one. After that, click employee number. Notice here employee number is sorting, and also the employee number also is changing. Let's check the final output. Employee number and employee name. If I click employee number, notice the employee number and employee name in descending order. If I click again, it will display in the ascending order. Descending and ascending. Descending and ascending order. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to sort and filter the data with columns headers using Excel VBA code. That's it. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Catch you in my next video tutorial. And please do like, subscribe and comment on this video. Thanks for watching.